In the heart of every struggle lies an untold story of courage. This is the journey of Rao Neelamraju and Indira Narayan, a couple bound by love, strengthened by hardships, and defined by resilience. Rao, a retired senior executive from the Middle East, with a love for literature, dreamt of writing a book that would leave a legacy. Indira, a retired librarian. His unwavering support ensured their home was always filled with warmth and care. Their days were simple, yet beautiful. Mornings began with quiet reading sessions, and evenings ended with conversations under the veranda's golden glow. Life was peaceful until one fateful afternoon. Rao clutched his chest, his breath heavy, his vision blurred. It was a heart attack. The doctors recommended immediate bypass surgery. The news was a storm that shook their world. In the hospital, as machines beeped and nurses rushed, Indira sat beside him, holding his hand, whispering prayers, her heart silently shattering. But Rao smiled, even through the pain. "I have to finish my book," he said. "And you have to be there to read it first." The surgery was successful, but recovery was slow. Rao, once an independent man, now needed help with every step. Indira was his pillar. She walked beside him in the hospital corridors, whispering words of encouragement, never letting him lose faith. As he regained strength, Rao found a renewed purpose: his book. He turned his pain into words, his struggles into poetry. Every night, he wrote, and every morning, Indira read his drafts, her voice bringing life to his words. Just when they thought they had won their battle, fate struck again. This time, it was Indira. A routine checkup turned into a nightmare. The doctor's words, esophageal cancer. Rao's heart ached in a way no illness ever could. The woman who had nursed him back to life now needed him to be her strength. He refused to let fear take over. "We fought one battle, my love. We will fight this too," he promised. Chemotherapy. Endless hospital visits. Pain. Rao saw it all. Indira's once bright face now tired, her hands trembling, her bindi fading. But her spirit? Unshaken. Rao became her caretaker, just as she had once been his. He read to her when she was too tired to keep her eyes open. He made her laugh, even when pain clouded her face. And most importantly, he never let her feel alone. With doctors' guidance, proper treatment, and unbreakable will, Indira fought back. Months passed. The battle was won. Indira was cancer-free. And Rao? He had finally finished his book. A story of love, resilience, and hope. The day his book was published, they sat together on the veranda, holding hands, watching the sunset, just as they always had. Their scars told stories, but their hearts remained unbroken. As Indira fought her battle in the hospital, Rao and their children stood by her side, offering unwavering support. Their children, filled with concern and love, managed responsibilities at home while ensuring their mother never felt alone. Every visit, every comforting word, and every small act of care strengthened Indira's will to recover. Through their presence, Rao found renewed strength, knowing they were all in this fight together. Love is not just in moments of joy, but in the hands that hold you through every storm. Rao and Indira's journey reminds us, strength is found in togetherness, and every battle is won with love.